Hi, this is a quick video showing something you might want to check if you have a high mileage 159. Is this rear one, and it is actually a ball joint, although it looks like a bush. But this isn't easily detected on the annual inspection, so your car might have play in it, even though it has passed the inspection. And I will now show you how to check this yourself. So first of all, you need to take the wheel off and then lower the hub on something solid. I've used these blocks of wood. This isn't the stablest possible way, but I have also the jack on there. And so the main thing is that the weight needs to be on this hub. If you have the wheel off and your suspension is just hanging on itself, you won't find this play. So now the weight is on the hub as it would normally be when you are driving. Just take a regular braking bar, or this is a assembly bar, and you can find nice slot over here that you place your bar in. And then and I'm not sure if this can be seen in this video, but I am now trying to shift the hub. I hope you can see that, but there is actually quite a lot of play. And I have already done the other side. The bush looks like this. And they are now making aftermarket bushes, and it is just press fit on the hub. And I made this tool. This is just a simple device. I welded some rebars on the edges of the metal pieces, and these are 16mm bolts. So I will now try to replace the bush. I can already tell that this bolt is probably rusted on the inside of the bush. So you will struggle with this. And this is a 14mm bolt. And this has the but wheel angle adjustment with this space. So the bolt snapped on this side as well, as I was expecting it to. I was gently trying to move the nut backwards and forwards and use gas torch and penetrating oil, but it didn't work. I tried it for almost an hour, but the bigger problem is that the bolt is also seized on the inside of the bushing. So now you have to just start sawing through the bush and the bolt from the both sides, and this is the only way to remove it now. So the situation is this: it is very late already, and I have been sawing through the bush and the bolt. It is quite hard material, and I just have to keep my patience because I have only 2 of these blades. These are quite good quality blades. So this is the first one and it is still okay. These are Swiss blades, by the way. The machine is poor quality, but the blades are good. You can always count on the Swiss, can't you? So it seems to have worked. This is a slice of that bush. So I am just about halfway through the other side. The progress is really slow. Okay, I have done it. I ruined only one blade. The machine is hot. Now the bushing is free. So I just turned the whole hub and the upper control arm is still connected. This bolt is probably also seized in the bushing, so it is enough if you get these 2 bottom ones out. And weirdly enough, the another bolt wasn't rusted at all. Okay, it is 1 AM, so I have to quit for today and continue tomorrow. So it is the next day, and I think I will start with pressing the old bush out with this tool. This 24mm socket fits nicely on this surface. And of course I have to press from this side because the bush goes this way out. And then I have to make a new bolt. This is a 14mm normal bolt, and I have to take this eccentric piece. when pressing the new one in, just keep checking that it is going in straight. And there is the new one in. And there is the new bolt. And I was lucky to find a 14mm nut also. The head looks like that. And the 22mm socket fits just nice. So I will then put this back together now. There you go. The bolt is a bit short, but I think the locking ring will also work when I tighten this properly. So now I just fixed this one thread. This was also impossible to remove without snapping the bolt, but this is easy to drill and tap. It is a 6mm thread. And then I put this back together and do the wheel alignment. I show that to you too if you are interested. One more thing, you probably knew this already, but I lowered this suspension so I can tighten the rubber push bolt so it is on the normal operating position. And now let's check the alignment on this side. 25.4, 25. So I must correct the angle now. Let's check this again. 251. 252. So I have to adjust it once more. I have done it already a few times. It's a bit sensitive as the adjustment is so close to the center. So let's check once more. 251.5. And that is the same. I did that almost 10 times because I had to go under the car. So this side is now ready and I just do the other side next, but I guess I end the video right here. Please tell me if you have done something like this before and if I did something wrong, or is there something that could be done differently or better. I hope somebody finds this useful, and thank you for watching.